Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Continuing our I-94 series, we're going to take the Jamestown business loop, which apparently was decommissioned back in 2004. When we made this trip, we didn't realize this, and since it still showed on Google Maps, well, we took it. We had some problems following it since there are no more guide signs, and the route makes several turns. We also won't see much of Jamestown on this trip since most of the city and business district is along US 52, north of the business loop. Jamestown is home to the world's largest buffalo statue, which regrettably is not visible from the business loop. And it's really only visible from I-94 heading east, so we didn't get a shot of it at all. But it seems to be an interesting attraction along with the Jamestown Frontier Village, and we plan to check that out next time we're up this way. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Here, the former business loop turns left and runs concurrent with US Highways 52 and 281. US 52 runs all the way from Portal, North Dakota, way up on the Canadian border, to Charleston, South Carolina. We were on a concurrency with US 52 on I-94 all the way from Minnesota to Jamestown, and we also encountered US 52 along I-85 in Lexington, North Carolina. US Highway 281 is the longest three-digit route in the US highway system at 1,875 miles, and the only three-digit US highway to extend from the Mexican border to the Canadian border. Due to truncations of US 81, US 281 is 672 miles longer than its parent route. At the James River, we bear right onto 10th Street Northeast, and the concurrency with the US highways ends. First Street on the left seems to be the main street through the Jamestown Business District. we turn right onto 12th Avenue, which will then curve to the left, and the street name becomes Business Loop East, even though this no longer carries the I-94 Business Loop designation. At one time, this was the route of US Highway 52 through Jamestown, although it's now been realigned to the west. Our video stops at this half cloverleaf that connects the business loop with I-94. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media. And join us for our next 504 road trip.